problems. Given one matrix A and B, based upon that he asking A plus B transpose whole transpose. See, to find A plus B transpose, after finding A plus B transpose, if you transpose that, you are going to get answer. Or if you apply property also, you will get A plus B whole transpose equals to A transpose plus B transpose. If you write by using that, that is A plus B transpose whole transpose equals to A transpose plus B transpose whole transpose. A transpose, that is going to be A transpose, B transpose whole transpose is nothing but B. You can find A plus B transpose. After finding A plus B transpose matrix, if you transpose, you are going to get an answer. Or if you transpose A adding with B, then you will get a same answer as your wish. But I will do by using this one, right? Already by simply you can write A transpose and adding with B, you will get answer directly. Okay, then cross check check. But నేను ఏం చేస్తానంటే first time I will write A plus B transpose. A matrix order is going to be 1 by 3. B matrix order is going to be 3 by 1. If both matrices orders are same, then only we can add the matrices. That's why given here A B transpose. A is nothing but what? 1, 2, 3. B transpose is nothing but here columns are there, you have to write as a rows. That is in the first column, in column I am writing as a row, that is 2, 3, minus 1. If this is also 1 by 3, now this is also 1 by 3, we can write answer. That answer is going to be also order 1 by 3. That is 1 plus 2. Corresponding elements you have to add. 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3. 2 plus 3 is nothing but 5. 3 minus 1 is nothing but 2. This is going to be 1 by 3 order. But you want what? A plus B transpose whole transpose is nothing but you have to transpose this matrix. That is 3, 5, 2 transpose you have to write. That is going to be 3, 5, 2 as a column. That is 3 by 1. This answer is going to be existed in option, but you have to choose correct answer. That's why if you apply property, you will get right like this. Or simply A transpose is nothing, it's going to be row as a column. That is 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3, 2 plus 3 is nothing but 5, 3 minus 1 is nothing but 2. Like this also you can say, or if you writing like that also you can say. See in this problem, we given a problem as a logical thinking, right? And see, given A and B is asking AB whole transpose. AB whole transpose. Here see, this is a 2018 ECET question, but options not as matrices. Why? Because given matrices means if you find also you will get matrices, but the options are not in a matrices. Like property AB whole transpose equals what? Property is what? AB whole transpose equals to B transpose into A transpose. Is not asking property by the question. He will indirectly he is confusing you people, but we won't get confused. That is AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. On the options lo on the B transpose into A transpose అంటే ఆ చేయాల్సింది కూడా అదే. B కి ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ చేయాలా, A కి ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ చేయాలా, రెండింటిని మల్టిప్లై చేయాలా, వచ్చిన మ్యాట్రిక్స్ AB whole transpose. And he given options as a matrices symbols indirectly that going to be presented in an option. That is going to be our answer. మనల్ని కన్ఫ్యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారు అంతే. కన్ఫ్యూజ్ చేసి క్వశ్చన్ అడిగినారు, మనం ఏం చేస్తాం? క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చినారు కదా, క్వశ్చన్ ఫాలో అవుతాం. మ్యాట్రిక్స్ కనబడింది, బి కనబడింది, ఏని ఈ బి ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ ఏ ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ రాస్తాం. లేదు ఏబి మ్యాట్రిక్స్ రెండింటిని మల్టిప్లై చేసి సింప్లిఫై చేసి వచ్చిన మ్యాట్రిక్స్ అప్పుడు చెక్ చేస్తాం. మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఉంటాయా? ఉండయి. ఇండైరెక్ట్లీ ఏమైంది? టైం అనేది వేస్ట్ జరిగింది. బట్ క్వశ్చన్ పూర్తిగా చదివితే ఇక్కడ ఆప్షన్స్ కరస్పాండింగ్ వాల్యూసే ఉన్నాయి. విత్ ఇన్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ సెకండ్ యూ కెన్ ఆన్సర్. దిస్ ఈస్ 2018 క్వశ్చన్. బట్ we'll do the problem, that is we'll find AB matrix, then after we'll transpose. Now first I am finding AB matrix, I am writing directly arrow. This is what a 2 by 3 matrix, this is what 3 by 2 matrix. Now the number of AB matrix to find here 2 by 3, here 3 by 2, indirectly resultant matrix order is going to be what? 2 by 2. అంతే కదా, 2/2 వస్తుంది రైట్. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ కాలమ్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎ ఫస్ట్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ షుడ్ బి ఈక్వల్స్ టు నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ రోస్ ఆఫ్ ఎ సెకండ్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. రిజల్టెంట్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఆర్డర్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ రోస్ ఆఫ్ ఎ ఫస్ట్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ బై నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ కాలమ్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎ సెకండ్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. ఈ కాలమ్స్ అనేవి ఈ రోస్కి ఈక్వల్ కావాలి, ఈక్వల్ అయినాయి కాబట్టి రెండింటి మ్యాట్రిక్స్ని మల్టిప్లై చేయొచ్చు. ఇక్కడ కూడా బి ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ ఏ ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి కూడా చేయొచ్చు. బట్ ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ ఫస్ట్ ఏబి, దెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ విల్ ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ దట్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. నౌ మల్టిప్లై సింప్లీ, దట్ ఈస్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు మల్టిప్లై రో విత్ కాలమ్ హియర్. 2 into 6 12 minus 3 into 3 minus 9. 12 minus 9 is nothing but 3. 0 into 5 0, that is 12 minus 9 is nothing but 3. First element is going to be 3. Next, first row with the second column you will get second element, right. 2 into 1 2 minus 3 into 0 0, 0 into 2 0, 2 into 1 is nothing but here you will get 2. Next, second row with first column, 1 into 6 6, 4 into 3 12, 6 plus 12 18, minus 1 into 5 minus 5, 18 minus 5, that is 13. Next, second row with first column, second column, that is 1 into 1 1, 4 into 0 0, minus 1 into 2, 1 minus 2 is nothing but minus 1. This is going to be AB, but we want what? AB transpose. AB transpose is what? Simply you have to write rows as a column, that is 3 2 13 minus 1. This is also 2/2 matrix, but he didn't ask like as a matrix, just given the property AB whole transpose manaku vachara, AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose, but A transpose into B transpose first option undi, adi kaadu compulsory. AB whole transpose always is going to be B transpose into A transpose. You have to remember this property, very very important. So many times already I said you will get this property, right? Okay, that's we'll see more problems based upon the transpose only. Let's see other problems. Yeah, in this problem given one matrix and other matrix, by using that is asking what is B. See, given one relation here and given relation one more relation. Based upon this relation is define the matrices. Here see, what is the order of this matrix? This is going to be 2/3. This is what 3/2. We can't add these two matrices. Why? Because the order of this both matrices is not same. But here see, observe what he asking, what is B. Here I am asking one question, what is the order of B? How to say order of B? By seeing these matrices. You see here 3A plus 4B dash is there. Here 2B minus 3A dash. To add or to subtract two matrices, compulsory order of both matrices should be same. Ante B ki A dash ki order same untadi. అంటే బీకి ఏడార్కి ఆర్డర్ సేమ్ ఉంటుంది, అంటే ఇక్కడ రిజల్టెంట్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ కూడా ఆర్డర్ కూడా అదే. అంటే ఇండైరెక్ట్లీ ఈ మ్యాట్రిసెస్ ఆర్డర్ ఏముంటే రిజల్టెంట్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ అదే ఆర్డర్ వస్తుంది. కాబట్టి ఇయర్ వీ హ్యావింగ్ బి, దట్స్ వై బి ఆర్డర్ ఇస్ వాట్ 3/2. సింప్లీ వీ కెన్ సే. See here in this matrix we having here B dash. B order is 3/2, means B dash order always 2/3. Satisfied no? See, we can say in the options, you can say by seeing the options, for suppose only 3/2 matrix, only one matrix is existed, that is going to be your answer. Or here see, I have to find B, means indirectly here we are having B, here B dash, and here 3A dash, here 3A. I am applying transpose to this matrix. Dash is nothing but transpose. B dash or B transpose we represented with the denotation of transpose of a matrix is like that. Indirectly 3A plus 4B dash is there. I am transposing this matrix and adding to this matrix. Why? Because this is 3A, this is minus 3A. Simply adding both, we are going to be cancelled. A, we are indirectly we want B, that's why we are eliminating A. See, I am applying transpose to this. This is a 3A plus 4B dash whole dash, adding with that matrix plus 2B minus 3A dash. Simply whatever just I represented here, just I am writing the matrices. Here 3A plus 4B dash is nothing but this one, that is of 2/3 order, but after transposing it's going to be 3/2. Simply you have to write rows as columns. Just write rows as columns. That is 7 minus 10 7, 0 6 81. Next, plus minus 1 18, 4 minus 6 minus 5 minus 7. This is of order what 3/2. This is also 3/2. The resultant matrix I am writing here, see, 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 is going to be 6, 0 plus 18, 18, next minus 10 plus 4, minus 10 plus 4 is nothing but minus 6, 6 minus 6, 0, 7 minus 5, 7 minus 5 is nothing but 2, next 81 minus 7, 81 minus 7 is nothing but what? 74. Right, if you write here, see, simply nothing but I am simplifying this matrix, that is a 3a dash. Why? Because you have to transpose a plus b whole transpose equal to a transpose plus b transpose. 3a dash plus 4b dash whole dash is nothing but b plus 2b minus 3a dash. Plus 3a dash minus 3a dash cancel. 4b plus 3b equal to 6b. But we want what? B only. That's just to simplify. That is indirectly from here I am writing b. B is nothing but 6 by, you have to divide each and every element with 6. 6 by 6 is nothing but 1. 6, 18 by 6 is nothing but 3, 6. Next minus 6 by 6 is nothing but minus 1, 0. 2 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 3 we can write. 74 by 6 is nothing but what? 74 by 6. We can't simplify, or indirectly by using 2 we can simplify, that is 76 by 4 we can't simplify, that is nothing but indirectly if you divide with 2, that is you will get here 2 32s, 37s, 37 by 3. This is going to your B. The corresponding answer you have to get. Simply nothing is there here, same thing from the equation he asked B, but transpose concept is existed here. That's indirectly by transposing that, simplifying the equations we are getting B. Whatever we required indirectly B అడిగినాడు కాబట్టి A eliminate చేసినాం. అదే A అనే మ్యాట్రిక్స్ అడిగాడు అనుకోండి, కంపల్సరీ మనం ఏం చేయాలి? B అనేది మ్యాట్రిక్స్ని ఎలిమినేట్ చేస్తాం. బట్ నథింగ్ బట్ సింప్లీ బై ట్రాన్స్పోజింగ్ we are getting. Always after doing transpose, the number of rows are going to be columns, number of columns are going to be rows. The rows and columns are going to be interchanged. That is the only transpose matrix. Transpose is nothing but interchanging rows into columns. Okay, let's see more problems by using this one. By same concept we will see more problems. Let's see the other problem.